AC problem. 379, see the clutch, kicking off and on. Got a short in the plug. Right now it's working, now it's not. Got a problem that quick. All right, now we're back at it. Something choked me up.
Just got to take this little clip off so you can get the wires off. And look, there we go.
That's the problem right there.
Broken. Off the clip. You just got to depin that clip and get a new clip and put it in there.
Yep. 379 Pete. Major always a problem on these AC systems.
Alright, we got another plug. Peterbilt. It's going to match up. Make sure that you got this little A and B on the plug there. Make sure it matches from your A and B on your original plug. Original plug, the B was green. Twist them together. This little piece there. We got the first one done, now we're on to the second one.
Makes it look like you soldered it together. Pretty cool ends.
Actually, little pieces of solder here, and then you see it